Hey there, it's Ellen Young with the Young Crew at Carolina Realty Group, and today I am out here at Seaside Villas in the Forest Beach area of Hilton Head Island, and I would like to give you the tour of a listing that we have in delay. It will be coming live probably next week at some point, and it will be listed at $379,000. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with beautiful views of the ocean. Let's have a look. So just came up on the elevator, 3rd floor of the complex. There's also a stairway there. And want to show you the pool. Has a beautiful pool here. And of course, this is within walking distance to all the shops and restaurants at Coligny and also the new Celebration Park. So as you come in, you notice right away that it's light and bright. A whitish tile on the floor. Pretty runner. This property does come fully furnished. Got a little bench area there. A nice storage closet here that you could absolutely add some shelves to. Or if you are going to rent it, you could also make it an owner lockup. And then you've got the bedroom right here as you walk in on the right hand side. This is a queen bed. It's got mirrors all along the wall and a ceiling fan. They have chosen to take the doors off of the closet and they put the Chester drawers in there. So that's there. And then it also has access to the bathroom from the bedroom. I'm going to walk around though. Really nice bathroom. Everything's just clean and crisp in here. Really nothing that you have to do. Shower is of course in good condition. This is another really good sized closet. And yet another closet here that houses the hot water heater. Full-size refrigerator. Newer cabinets in here with granite countertops. I do want to point out this is a new sofa. They have chosen to put a cover on it because the fabric on the sofa did not match the rugs. It's that, but you could certainly take off the cover, but the sofa, it's a sleeper sofa and it is newer. So I want to show you the beautiful view. So as you can see, the walkway here out to the ocean, and this is your view. I'm actually going to sit down so you can see my view as I'm sitting down. It's nice that we're up high and you can see everything. Also want to point out that on this patio here they've got tile, which is nice. A lot of the units in Seaside do not have tile. And of course the light out here, very nice. Please feel free to reach out if you've got any questions. Thanks so much.